You're welcome. In this video, I'll explain you the project Railway Ticket Booking. So this is a Visual Basic project, but still you can do this project in many other languages too, like C Sharp, Java, Python, or Android. The options is very much open. So let us understand what we can do in this project. So basically it's for the ticket booking. So in order to make the ticket booking, so first you need to have all the train details. So you can have a train details. So train has to link with the coaches, then ticket price, then schedule actually, so travel schedule. So from to, so which train go from which place to which place. That is also very important. So these are things we'll discuss in this particular project. So project preparation steps. So what are the steps you need to follow? First you need to select the project selection. So which project is suitable for you, that you need to figure it out, and then you need to select the project. So now you can say you selected the railway ticket reservation. So then you need to prepare the synopsis. For synopsis preparations, please go to our website. We have a lot of synopsis over there. You can get one and then redesign the things as per your requirement. Then the project design. So you need to plan like what are the things should be there in your project. So that you need to design. So that I'll show you in this video. Then project programming. So we'll show you some pages like how we have done the programming. After that you need to prepare the documentation. So these are the steps you need to follow. But here the programming part is the main, and then you need to complete the whole program. So once it's working fine, so you can based on that you can prepare the project document. So if you are looking for some projects, please contact us. So this project, as I told already, you can do it in many other languages too. So from this video, what you get actually, what are the things you gain? So one is language skills. So here we're talking about Visual Basic. So you should understand like how to make Visual Basic and make the project. And domain skills. So domain means you need to understand how railway works. So because not only programming, so unless otherwise you don't know the railway, like how the railway ticket booking works, so it's very difficult to make the complete project. So therefore here we try to explain you what are the things we need to add in this project, what are the forms are required, how do we design that. So that all will explain you, so that you'll gain some knowledge of how this whole concept works. So next is the work experience. If you do the project your own, definitely you'll get a work experience. This definitely will help you to get the good job. So in future, like the jobs are based on your experience and what knowledge you're having. So therefore, sit at home and then keep do more practical and keep do more projects. Therefore, you gain the experience. So in our channel, we have a lot of videos to learn. So please watch the videos and then learn and then make yourself. Project forms I'll show in the project when I show the demo. Even tables, we are using Microsoft SQL Server as a backend here. So front end is the Visual Basic. So I'll show the project demo now. So before getting to the project demo, please subscribe to our channel if you're not yet subscribed to our channel. So once you come to YouTube, you can see the Typeblix tutorials. So if it's not there, so what you can do is, so please search there. So you have iBlix tutorials. So here is a subscribe button. So please subscribe. Then go to iBlix tutorials. Then go to videos. So here you can have a different videos, and we have 100 plus project videos. So therefore you have ample choices to select the project what you want. So therefore check out which project suitable for you, and also you can discuss with your teammates or your friends, and also please share your videos to your friends too. Next is, if you're looking for synopsis, come to our website, that is iblix.com. So here you can see that we have a lot of synopsis. So then you can go here and you search for railway. So railway reservation, so synopsis. So you can click here to download, or you can see that what are the hardware requirements, software requirement, everything is provided over there. So you can collect all this information and then make the complete synopsis. Okay, let's move to the project. So here is the project already opened in Visual Studio 2019. So here is the database. I'll show the database tables. So this is the booking table. So once the customer books, the details will come to this table. Next is the coach type. Coach type, what are the type of coach actually? Okay, in a train, what type of coach it is, that details will come to this table. Discount type, when you're booking the ticket, if there is a discount, that is shown over here. So next one is the station names. So here all the stations like from place to place, no? So all the stations we can enter here, then we can do the scheduling. So this one is the ticket price. So we can, for train number, coach type, and what is the price and what is the total seats, that we can add up here. Train detail. So this is the individual train detail. So train name, number of wagons, what is the total capacity, what are the facilities available in that train, that details we can write here. Train schedule. So scheduling, like, so this particular train number, so what is the train name, a train type, from station, from which place to what time it leave, to station, to which station it goes, and what time it will reach there. Train type, so again this is the to declare what type of train it is. Then here is the user info. This will help to log in. Okay, so these are the tables which you are using in this project. So if you want to write down, please pause the video and then write down all the table names. Then you can design in the server explorer. So this is the server explorer, you can see it here. And to create a new database, right click here and then go to the add connections, and you need to create the connection. So there is a separate video like how to do this. Please watch that video. Then you'll understand how to create the database and database tables. Right. So now move on. So here are the forms actually. So we start with the welcome screen, that is a flash screen, then login form. And if I double click here, you can see this is the code which is required to log in. Before that, first you look at the module 1.vb. So here is the connection string. We need to import system.data.sql client in order to work with SQL Server. Then this connection string is important. So in other video we explained like how to get the connection string. So please watch that video. And these are the public variables, and these are some functions. So now when you click OK, so therefore this is a SQL client. You need to import SQL client. Then we need to open the connection. Then you need to have a select statement. Select statement to select the data. So here you can see that select username is equal to textbox1 and user password is equal to textbox2. Here textbox1 name is username textbox.text. Password is password textbox.text. So this is the one. So if you go to properties, you can able to see that. So username textbox and the other one is a password textbox. So once you log in, you'll take to the MDA parent. So here is the MDA parent. So we have a menu here. So to add the menu, it can go to toolbox. You need to add menu bar. So select menu bar or menu strip. So here is a menu strip. You need to select the menu strip and then you have to drag it over there. So that will add the menu strip here. Right. So we already done this. So let me run the project and show the complete project for you. So this is a welcome screen. We have some picture here. So any picture you can use or any design you can do it in Paint and then link over there. And here is the login page. So it logs in. Now you can go to station details. You need to enter the station names. Click new, enter the station name. For example, let's say Delhi, capital city. Save. So then you want to make any changes, you select this and then make say changes, then click modify. And if you don't want, click delete. So next one is a train type. So here is express, shuttle, Samjhauta express. So what are the different names are there that we can enter in this particular form? That is about the train types. Next one is a coach type. So here you can see AC coach, second class, sleeper coach. You can make it a first class, okay, first class coach. So this is the first class coach. So with AC facilities. Right. So we created a one more coach type. Now it's discount type. So discount for military person, like senior citizen. So these are discounts for senior citizen above 60 age. So what is the percentage of discount? Let's say 10% discount. Right. Next is the train details. Here you can have see that one express, Mysore Express, total 12 wagons. So total wagons capacity is 1200. Likewise, you can keep on entering the multiple train names. For that, you can check it out ICRT website. So there you can get the train names. So next is the train schedule. So you can see that here we given a train number 111, and this is Mysore to Bangalore Express. Sorry, Bangalore to Mysore. So it is express train. This is train name Mysore Express. Express train Bangalore 11 a.m. Mysore, it will go there. Okay, I can modify this. Done. So likewise, you can create 112 for the reverse journey. So again, this from Mysore to again here Bangalore, and what are the times you need to say, because for each trip there is a train number is different. So next here is a ticket price. So here is a AC coach. So what is the price, and is the second class, what is the price, that is all provided over here. So you could click new button and again keep on entering all the data. So this is how you need to design, like, no, so when you talk about ticket price, which is the ticket train, and what is the price and all, we need to write down here. So next here is the option search train. So when customer asks for a particular train, so we can say Bangalore to Mysore. So when you search, you can see that there is a one train. So Bangalore to Delhi, there are no trains because we are not yet enter the data. So next is the ticket booking. Now customer comes, they want ticket, so they want from Bangalore to Mysore. So first you need to select the place, then the train number comes here. So it is a train number, and then coach type. So you take first class ticket. Okay, so AC coach. So this is 350, and is there any discount you can apply here? Otherwise, so how many quantity of tickets they want? So they want 2 tickets, and here you can write down the names. Okay, and so age. So save this ticket generated successfully, and then print this. You can print the ticket. So in case of ticket cancellations, you need to give the ticket number here 1008. So not found. So let's say 1007. So here is the ticket number, train number, and what date is booked, what is the ticket price, always there. In case is not required, they can cancel this ticket. Based on that, here is the reports, train list. So here it will show all the train list. Then booking list. So these are the bookings done. Next one is the cancel list. If any cancel done, so that is there here. So hope you understand like what are the things you need to add in this project. So what I suggest you is please write down all the design first, and then you need to plan all the tables, then you have to start coding. So if you want to learn coding, like how to do this, and if you are a fresher, if you're not yet know about it, so we have separate videos, please watch that videos. You will definitely get an idea how to start with this. So therefore you should have a strong mindset to write the program your own. So if you decide yourself, definitely you can able to do this. So please subscribe to our channel, and then wish you can learn something from our channel. Hope you can complete this project at the earliest. Thank you.